Today's video is on lipstick organization. We're going to feature a number of lipstick organizations, starting with some of my favorite DIY, as well as my favorite finds on Amazon. So let's get started. Magnetic lipstick organizer. Use magnetic strips, a piece of sheet metal glued in a picture frame, and you have instant art with your makeup. You could use lipstick and make different designs, and it could look like an art piece in your bedroom. Okay, Dollar Tree, here we come. A wire basket. Flip it upside down and put it in a basket similar to this, and you will have an organization like this. And so the wire basket holds up the lipstick. This one is extremely budget friendly. With a hot glue gun, scissors, and some cardboard and a shoebox, you can have an organization like this for very little money. And finally, chicken wire. Yeah, you've seen a lot of these on my channel if you've watched some of my older videos. Use a picture frame, staple in some chicken wire instead of the square wire, use some felt pads on the back, and lay this in a drawer, and you could have something similar to this except with lipstick. A cake stand could be great for your lipstick or makeup. I like this one especially because your lipstick won't fall off.